With the SBI Chairman CS Setty very quickly.
Play an important role in the India's economic growth story, and I think that is not affected in any manner. That was not affected even earlier also, I think, but this capital raising reinforces the confidence of the investing community across the globe in India's story as well as SBI's story.
A lot of foreign investors seem to be coming in for this. What is the messaging that you're getting from them? Was 25,000 crore enough for them?
So I think it is not about the size. The very fact that SBI has come to the market after a very long time and a quality paper being available, I think there's been a good response. They were probably waiting for issuance from the SBI. I don't think it's about the size. But the response, almost 4.5 times, shows that the appetite for the stock is.
And lastly, how long do you think this capital will last for you?
I don't think we will need capital. In fact, we mentioned that we have adequate capital structure to support the growth. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
One last. Okay. All right. Quick chat there with CS Setty on what is a big day for them. 25,000 crore rupees was the largest ever QIP, resounding response to it, and that's the conversation you heard. All right. The other company that we're tracking right now is NLC. Now, NLC has been on a hot streak yesterday as well, continues some of its buzz today. It's powering ahead with bold ambitions in the renewable energy space. Its green arm, NIRL, is set to launch a 4,000 crore IPO, and cabinet approvals are also unlocking fresh equity infusions. The company is also laying groundwork for a massive scale-up from 2 gigawatts to 32 gigawatts by 2047. Before we catch up with the management, let's go across to Varsha joining us for more.
Yeah, thank you for that. So yes, the two things for which NLC India is in focus. One is, of course, their renewable arm IPO and the cabinet approval for green energy boost. Now, starting with the NIRL IPO plans, which they're going to launch 4,000 crores of IPO in Q2 FY27, and this IPO is a part to fund their expansion plans, and they plan to file draft papers in Q1 FY27, and NIRL is positioned as the primary vehicle when it comes to NLC's green energy agenda. Talking about companies' renewable energy push, they operate 2 gigawatt of renewable energy assets, and they aim to ramp up capacity to 10 gigawatt by 2030 and 32 gigawatt by 2047. And they're also planning 50,000 to 60,000 crore of investment for 7x increase in RE capacity, which will be done through equity and debt. And NLC will also invest 7,000 crores into NIRL. Lastly, on the cabinet approval for green energy boost, now NLC can infuse 7,500 crores equity in NIRL, which was agreed by cabinet minister.
Okay.